I'm like in front of our house. Another baby is born, another pops out. Another father is scared, another pops out. I ain't trying to hear it, another drop out. Classic results of the class of the hard knocks, making bottles out of bottles and glasses that bars got. They want to see all the passion my heart's got. When I pull the plug, that's when my heart stops. This hero is about the street performing route. They follow my words, I got a prequel for a mouth. Don't rush to get low like my people in the south. It's going downhill like eating Lauren out. Cause this right here is that gotta make it now track. Gotta lay it down, gotta make it sound crack. Wanna be free today and not a day around that. And there's nada that y'all can say about that. I wiggity woke up this morning wishing that I wouldn't wake up. Reaching into my savings and picking a little cake up. My barber's a therapist, my living don't need to shape up. Pick up the rhyme book and ripping a different page up. Cause I'm an author in my own ways. Mama with the small waist. Tell her this house is not a home like we were brought up in the hallways. What the fuck we paying rent for? About to save for an apartment and jump off the 10th floor. Cause I had dreams where I never stopped falling. Money ain't a thing and I'm forever not balling. Swear to God y'all win. I'ma stay losing till I have nothing to lose. And there's not a day you win, and that'll be the day, that'll be the day. A job well done is what my family would say when victory is finally in the clutches of my hand. Let the series burn slow and let the Duchess understand, right? Right?
Thank you.